What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the top pants that I like to wear for the winter time. You know, the weather is getting super cold out. You got to have the right pant selection, and I'm going to try and help you out with that. Now, I tried to keep all these pants in like a good price range, so just in case any of you guys liked anything, you can go ahead and pick it up. I'll leave a link for them in the description below. But before we get into that, if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on my Instagram right here. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into these pants. So the first pants I'm gonna show you guys is a pair of Levi's. Now, I used to wear Levi's a lot back when I was like super young, but I kind of forgot about them as I got older. I thought they were just like jeans for old guys who drive trucks and do construction. So I'm gonna just pull these out of the bag for you guys. So as you can see, these are just a plain pair of blue denim. So Levi's has a bunch of different fits. They have boot cut, they have straight, they have skinny, they have slim. This pair right here is a pair of 512s and it has a slim taper. It's a nice classic light blue wash that you can wear with almost anything. It's also super comfortable. It has a nice stretch to it, which is always a plus. There's no holes or anything like that on this denim. It's just a nice classic pair. So if you want a nice classic clean pair of denim, I would definitely go with the Levi 512s. Now again, I went with the slim taper. They have a bunch of different cuts if this isn't your taste. Very good quality, a pair of jeans that you can get a lot of wear out of. So with this one out the way, let's go ahead and get into another pair. So for this next pant, I have a pair of HSLA cargo pants, and it is in the salmon pink colorway. So track pants have been popping off crazy lately. Almost every brand has a pair of track pants on their site by now, but this pair from HSLA is probably one of my favorites to wear at the moment, especially in this pink colorway. You have the one zipper on the side. On the side, you have HSLA branding in black and white, which is a very nice touch. And of course, you have the handy cargo pockets. So if you don't like the pink, they also have a pair in black, which I really like. And they also have this other baby blue color. Now, for sizing info, I wear a medium in pants and almost anything, like shorts and all that. But for this pair right here, I got it in a size small and it fits perfect. I would go with your true size if you want more of a baggy feel. But if you want more of that skinny, slim look, go ahead for a size down. Now, these do retail for 60 bucks, but when you get these in hand, you're gonna be wearing these all the time. So it's worth the money for sure. I've gotten a couple things from HSLA in the past, not just these cargo pants, and I can say the quality is really nice. Now for this next pair of pants, it is a pair from none other than Minimal LA. This is the track pant denim. So these have been sold out for a while now. They just came back in stock. Another one of my favorite pants to wear. The comfortability is unmatched, and it also has that stretch, which again is always nice. So you have some distressing, but not too much on this pair of denim. Then you have the ankle zips, which I think every pair of minimal denim comes with. In my opinion, it has an amazing wash. I always get compliments wearing these jeans. And again, has like the track stripes going down the side in like this cream color. Very good pair of denim for the money. And these have been sold out for a minute, but they're back in stock. So if you like them, definitely jump on it. Don't sleep on these. Now, if you're not a fan of the track denim, they have a bunch of other ones that I'm sure you'll like. If you look on the website right now, it's kind of hard to find things in your size because they have a sale going on. So everything is selling out. And that's more like for the jeans. They have a lot of inventory of like the t-shirts, the button-ups, the coats, the track pants. But if you're looking for just a plain pair of denim that's essential that you can wear almost every day, definitely go with these ones right here. I've had the M1s before. It's a great pair of jeans. I just love Minimal's quality for the price point. You really can't beat it. Anywhere else, you're gonna be spending a lot more for almost the same quality. So definitely go with the Minimal. So if you haven't done that by now, definitely do that. Link in the description below. So for this next pair of denim, it's the most expensive one I'm showing you guys, but it is well worth the money. And it is this pair of Fear of God Essential Denim. So these retailed for $200. The distressing on this is really nice. It's in all the right places. On the bottom, you do have the ankle zips. Very sturdy zippers, I must say. It's a nice dark wash, which I definitely feel for the winter. I mean, if you have the money, definitely cop them because it's a really quality pair of denim that you're gonna be wearing for a while. But if you don't have that kind of money to drop on a pair of denim, definitely go with the minimal ones. Like I said, these essential ones, probably the most quality pair of jeans that I have in my closet right now. Okay, now last but not least, we have a pair of sweatpants. Everyone needs a pair of sweatpants in the wintertime. I don't care who you are. You definitely don't want to be wearing jeans and track pants and cargo pants all winter. You definitely want to be comfortable, and these sweatpants right here are the Fear of God Essential Sweatpants. My favorite pair of sweatpants I've ever gotten in my entire life. The Fear of God Essential track pants are just amazing. They're not like joggers where you're gonna get too skinny of a look, but they're not super baggy. They're just in that perfect in between. The inside lining is super soft, and then you have that beautiful, nice, plain, and simple essential hit on the leg. On the bottom, you have the nice little cuffs, nothing too big, which is perfect. One complaint I have to say is that I wish the waistband was a little bit thicker. I mean, it's pretty thick, but it could be thicker. And if you want to spice up your life, you don't have to go with the plain black. They have a yellow colorway, they have a red. You'll just have to look around and find them. I think they're all sold out on the PacSun website. I could be wrong though, but if they are on the PacSun website, I'll have the link in the description below. Again, no lie, I wear these all the time. Like, these are my go-to pant for whatever occasion. But I understand that essential sweatpants can get a little pricey. That's why Minimal has a nice option, and they are the training sweatpant, which you can get kind of sort of the same look. Not the same quality, but the same look, and that's what you want. And I swear this is not an ad for Minimal. I just really mess with the brand. They have a lot of dope stuff for a good price. But that's gonna wrap it up for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to help me out a little bit, hit that like and subscribe button for me. It goes a long way. I hope you guys seen some pants that you might consider picking up. If you did, go ahead, let me know in the comments below. Again, I will have links in the description for all the items that I just mentioned. Thank you guys for watching if you watched up to this point, and I will see you guys in the next video.